guess what's out?
Oh, heavenly light, I'm an angel. Alrighty.
I always say Australia. I need to say something more different.
We're trying to guess where it's from. We are here with our snack race. So excited. It's so cold outside, so this is something to look forward to. We are guessing because we don't know where it's from. It's a small box this time. I like the bigger boxes, even if it's filled with packaged air.
I'm going to guess China.
Mom guesses China. I hope something that I'm going to like a bunch of stuff. 26 buckaroonies will get you this. Alright. You open it.
What do you say it's from?
I'm going to say... we need that Atlas.
I know it.
I don't know. Give me a freaking country. I don't even know all the stupid countries to pick from. Iceland.
Oh, Australia. I said Australia, then I said China.
She says she always guesses Australia and it's never Australia. But it was Australia this time. The one time. Look. This makes me want to go to Australia. Look at the scuba diver.
Pretty beaches.
Look at the koala. Don't mind my chipped nails. I need to get them painted. So, anyways, so pretty, the scuba. Look, the gator's eating a parrot and the koala bear has a hat on. Alright, we got some little fun facts in here, and then we've got all the snacks right here. Alright, we're going to read the fun facts real quick. Alright, there are 3 times more sheep than people living in Australia.
Oh my gosh.
Where are Uggs made from? Uggs are made out of sheepskin. I wonder if Uggs originate out of Australia.
Only licensed electricians are legally allowed to change a light bulb in Australia.
Well, we would be super screwed here because we always have light bulbs that need changes.
Light bulbs.
That's kind of silly. 17 of the world's most poisonous snakes can be found in Australia. I knew that because I love the Discovery Channel. So that is kind of scary.
People for Queensland are nicknamed banana benders. Wow.
Whatever that means. Koalas sleep more than 20 hours per day. I know that too.
While mining in one of Australia's biggest industries, more land is covered by pubs than mines.
Y'all like to drink.
That's pretty beach.
That's a beautiful aerial view of the surfer's paradise on the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. Looks like my kind of place. Capital is Canberra. There is 24 million people there. Super excited.
What is this building or this structure? There it is.
That's the capital or something. I think that's Sydney. Super excited. I think I'm gonna like all these ones.
Bush tomato. They got bush tomato, provolone, snag. I don't know what that mean. What that mean?
What that mean?
Here's the flag.
The flag sticker. Oh, hold on. Stickers. Oh my god, my nails are off. Didn't we get something like that already? Oh no, I don't like this. Packaged air in a small box?
Yeah.
Not cool. Not cool at all. Alright, we're going to open these at first. I thought that we had already got something similar to this. French fries, Australia's original country potato straw snack. Crispy, salty, and perfectly potatoey. It's going to be yummy. Oh, duh. They're going to be tater sticks.
Oh, we know these. We have these.
I eat these all the time. All the time at work.
Good.
They're good. They taste like ours, but they're good. They got barbecue and sour cream and onion. I like those too. Yum. We could sit there and eat that whole bag. Oh, All right, what's another one?
You
Mama.
pick one.
Oh, I pick one. I'm not gonna pick that because this looks like something that Dennis would eat. It's pineapples, no artificial colors. I thought it was gonna say flavors. Allen's Pineapple, sweet pineapple shaped gummy candy. One bite and you'll be taken to the tropics by the pineapple goddess. Oh goodness.
I like pineapple.
I do not. I do not unless it's cooked on my steak. Wow, it smells good.
It's cute.
It is cute. Does it taste like pineapple?
Maybe somewhat. It tastes like gummy candy.
Yeah. Because I like it. And if it tastes like real pineapple, then not.
I think the green part tastes more like pineapple than the yellow.
Australian made. That was still good though. I still like them. Alright. Ooh, looks interesting.
Let's try one of these.
Fantals. Smooth and velvety caramels coated with milk chocolate, individually wrapped so you can stop yourself from eating the whole bag at once. Little bag.
I've never had wrapped chocolate caramels.
Crap.
Probably pretty cold, huh? They're hard. Maybe we should have sit on them and get them warm.
Oh my gosh.
You're just going to have to leave them in your mouth and let them get softened up.
They're so good, but you don't want to eat them if you got a loose tooth or something. Or braces. Very hard to chew in my mouth. Good, alright? Allen's must be one of our brands. That was what the pineapples are made of too.
There's some Nestle in there. What?
Nestle's everywhere. Let's try Chomp. Oh man, it's more caramel. Chomp. Chomp caramel. A crispy wafer layered with caramel, then coated with rich milk chocolate. It's a monster too. It looks fun. Oh, it's cute. I will like this. Very, very chewy. I like wafer stuff.
It's good.
Whoopsies. It's really good. Chocolate is good. I like their chocolate. Yeah, it's good. We've been so quiet over there for.
Chewing on my candy. It's good.
That is good. Alright, while you're doing that, I'm gonna eat another one of these. It says do not give to children under 3 years old.
Well. James, you want to try these?
You'll like
Good.
them. They're just good old-fashioned tater sticks. Do you want them? Here's your dinner.
Not even later.
Alrighty, Mother, it is your turn.
You're not going with me, Ross.
Stuck on the last stack. Look, okay.
My turn.
Yep.
About shapes.
Shapes. Are these made in Australia? Yep. But we have something here called Shapes, I think. Arnott's Shapes Pizza. Delicious pizza flavored
Biscuit.
biscuits. Oven baked to a salty, savory pizza crunch. I'm gonna love these. I love pizza. I love pizza flavored things. These are gonna be good.
You want anything for your mom, John? I think that's what your mom got. I get you anywhere else out there.
Okay.
And they do. They taste just like pizza. And they're very crunchy. I like them.
Crunchy.
Very, very crunchy. Those were yummy. What do we have next in the box?
It's your turn.
Oh, in the box, in the box. I just want to try this one because I like the name of it. Violet Crumble. I like violet. It's the way it shatters that matters. A crumbly honeycomb toffee center coated in 2 layers of creamy chocolate.
Not one, but 2.
Oh. I get 2 bars? Oh my. Oh.
It's done shattered.
Yeah, it's done shattered. So it matters. Looks interesting. It kind of looks fake, doesn't it?
Hard.
Here, I'm sorry. Oh.
Wow. The center's odd.
It melts in your mouth, but it's kind. I love it. What about you?
Good.
The center is weird. It tastes like I'm eating styrofoam, but it's flavored styrofoam. I love it. I will be eating that. Mom will be wasting that. All right, Mom. What do you want to pick? Yes, that's the one I wanted you to pick.
Twisties.
Read it. I'm so excited.
Australia's most popular snack. This crispy cheese flavored corn and rice snack has been a favorite for over 60 years.
I'm excited. Oh, this is so cool. It looks like Cheetos. This tastes like natural. Like this tastes like what Cheetos should taste like. Our Cheetos taste like
They got a lot of cheese on them.
baked cheese. This tastes good. I love these. These are my new #1 snack. I will go on Amazon and buy these. I want to eat that whole bag right now. They taste so good.
Who makes them?
I want to dance about it.
Who makes them?
Who is the company?
The Smith Snack Food Company.
Well, you go, guys. Y'all made some good old Cheetos. Like them things. I don't want to eat nothing else because I want to keep that taste in my mouth. She does too. She's acting like I'm crazy. I told James that he could have those, but the way he's acting, he's not going to get them. All right. Do you think?
It's your turn.
Oh, yeah. Well, let's pick this thing because it's big.
pause it.
Can't. Wagon wheels. Oh, Mom, you're gonna like this. Chocolate coated marshmallow and jam.
Oh,
Wagon
jam.
wheels. Random but right. So cute. It looks so just petite, just a little cookie. Oh, it's so soft. It's kind of like a moon pie.
Yeah. Moon pie with jelly or jam.
Or jam.
Good.
I do not like it. I do not like it.
It's all right. I just had so much sweets over the holidays. I'm trying to look. I don't know how much more I can handle.
I'm gonna watch our figure.
Yeah.
I'm not eating that. I don't like that. It kind of tastes like gingerbread. I don't know. Blech, I don't like that. It ruined my Cheetos.
Well, we have the sweet stuff in here. Now we're going to get Tim Tam fingers.
Tim Tam fingers. Did you rate it?
Uh-oh. Crunchy chocolate biscuit
Fingers.
Everybody calls everything a biscuit.
Where are these? Oh, 2 chocolate cookie biscuits are filled with smooth chocolate cream and drenched in more decadent
give me a
chocolate.
Piece.
I don't know. Too much. We're done with sweets right now.
I like it though.
Oh, too. I like it a lot. That chocolate's really good. Your chocolate's good, mate. I do. I like it. I like that one a whole lot.
It's good.
All right, we only got 2 more things left in there. Chocolatey.
Yeah, my little Milky Way.
Let's try this one. No, this is a little bit different. This is a Milo snack bar with milk. This is something I would eat before work. Crunchy cereal pieces that are infused with a chocolate powder formed into a bar, then dipped in milk. Great for on-the-go snack. Excuse me. Oh,
Wow.
it's like a Cocoa Pebbles.
Cocoa Krispies.
It is, just like it.
Nestle.
I'm not going to try that one. I don't want to. That one was good. Got a bunch of chocolate in this
Yeah,
one.
bunch. I'm gonna put some chocolate taste out.
Well, Mom, this video has been the shortest one we have shot.
You don't want to open that one?
Mm-mm. I'm not opening this one because it's just a chocolate whip milk, and it's going to be just like a Milky Way. And I don't really want to open any more chocolate. I want to eat more Cheetos
And I'm eating James's potato sticks.
because he went to Long John's. I'm a little disappointed. I feel like we kind of got shorted in this box, don't you?
Yeah, I like mostly everything.
I guess it's just me. But I have to be happy because I've been introduced to my most new favorite snack, Twisties. So, Australia, it's been real. Send me these. I guess I do like everything. I just want more snacks. Well,
Sir and I.
Sayonara.
Whatever.